Hey everybody, it's Tom at Coach House Motorhomes, and this part of this video is going to talk about watching satellite TV. If you had installed as an option on your motorhome satellite TV, that means either DirecTV or Dish Network, this video is for you. If you don't have satellite TV, this video does not pertain to your motorhome. All right. If you have satellite TV, the first thing you need to do is find your Winegard satellite system power button, which is located usually on the driver's side near the Firefly screen. Locate this panel which says Winegard and turn it on, which means you can see the red part of the switch. Once you've located the Winegard power button, turn it on, and then you're going to need to wait 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the satellite receiver, which is on top of the motorhome, is going to move up and down and backwards and forwards so that it can find 3 satellites in the sky so that you can watch satellite programming. Remember, cloudy days, mountains, trees, or buildings can interfere with this signal. You may not get good satellite reception 100% of the time. So now that you've turned the satellite dish on and waited 10 to 15 minutes for it to find the satellites in the sky, we need to change the source from over-the-air television to satellite TV. In this motorhome, it's HDMI 1, but in your motorhome, it could also be HDMI 2. At this point, change remotes, pick up your DirecTV or Dish Network TV remote, and make sure that your box is on. As a note, if you get errors that say either 722 or 721, those are reception errors, and there's nothing wrong with your system and your hardware. All that means is that either you're behind a tree or the reception from the satellites is not working at this time. You can wait a few minutes and try again, or change the channel and try and watch a different channel which may be located on a different satellite. Hey guys, I got one more thing to tell you about satellite TV. Many of you ask, do I have an in-motion satellite? And the answer to that is yes, you do. Coach House installs automatic in-motion satellites, and what that means is if you have a great desire to watch The Price is Right going down the road, all you have to do is leave the power on. This system will automatically know if the vehicle starts to move over 10 miles an hour, and it will track your satellite signal along with you. Some other manufacturers of satellite systems, you need to change buttons, but ours is automatic. So if you want to watch TV going down the road, make sure you're locked on to signal first, start the vehicle up, and off you go.